Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Before we start messing with the Fiesta, adding aftermarket parts and things like that, we want to just do a quick 0 to 60 video, guys, and quarter mile just with the PLX, Kiwi PLX device here on the you just connect your smartphone. Really good deal. You've seen us using those a lot. Okay, it's seen better days. That's a PLX Kiwi 2. And you can see all kind of stuff with it. Okay, you can check your fuel, all that stuff, fuel consumption, everything you can think of. So stay with us, guys. What we're going to do, we will actually go to performance, okay, right here, and we'll be able to test 0 to 60 in quarter mile. So let's see what we get with that thing. We're gonna run it a couple times and see what time we'll get. Okay, there is some other data that you can check as well. You can check your fuel flow, all that stuff. You can check boost. Max was 17 psi was the maximum boost. Okay, that we hit today. Braking max was 0.4 G. Max fuel was 9.0 gallons per hour, as you can see, and you can check other things as well here. For a manual you won't be able to see how much you stayed in every gear, but average for today we even got 25.5 mpg, which is pretty awesome. Alright guys, so all we have to do now, you have to zero your accelerometer here. Okay, that's a hard word to say when you don't know English. Okay, and now we are going to go and see how much time it's gonna take us to hit quarter mile and 0 to 60. Okay, let's see now. Okay, how we are going to do now. Okay, let me make sure I zero that thing again. Okay. Okay guys, and that's 7.3 with full tank of gas, 2 people in the car. Okay, right here, 15.47 quarter mile. And check out, it's not the best, okay, not the best blacktop too. It's really coarse, so for some reason I have the feeling that you always go slower on something like that than when it's smooth. So that's it for today, guys. Let me know what time you have on yours, and see you guys next time. Thank you for watching us.